ஹாய், வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல் ஆட்டர் கனிஷ். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம தஷ் லேர்னிங் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு லேர்னிங் சாஃப்ட்வேர் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். பிக்டோ பிளாக்ஸில் செஞ்சது. இந்த லீவில் நான் கொஞ்சம் எஃபர்ட் போட்டு செஞ்ச ஒரு ஆப். இப்போ அது எப்படி இருக்குது அதெல்லாம் இந்த வீடியோவில் ஃபுல்லாக பார்க்கலாம். Shankar doing class 9 in Kamalawadhi Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to show my education app. In this COVID-19 situation, I have think about an software, online software for education. So I do this project. Here I named this app as Dash Learning. Let's open it. Now this is my Android application for studying. So first I can show the app. So I close all. This app is created by Plasmo, and this is a scratch code software. Now we can start. So first I am going to play the I am going to execute. Okay, now the app started. So here I have a button get started. This is the student will come and press this first. After pressing this will show this page. Here I have 4 subjects: chemistry, physics, biology, maths, and here are some videos for both. Here I am first I select the chemistry. So if chemistry clicked, there is a chapter matter in our surroundings. First I done for class 9th. So when I click this, here will some lessons in this software. So I given some pages. After that, if I press the home button, this will come here. Also we can press this button also. Now I am selecting. Here I have used back and front buttons. So when I click front, it will go the next page. If I click back, then this will come back to the pages. If I like to go to the front page, I can click the home button. So it will come to the home. Now we can click the physics. So here I have a motion chapter, so I will click this. Here also some pages. We also I will develop this into a video app. Here I will insert some videos also. Here we can click the max. Here number system, I have one chapter, so I click this. Here there is a chart for real numbers, number system. So next here biology. When I click biology, it will come like this. Here I have the first lesson, cell, the fundamental unit of life. So I will click this. Here coming biology. So for reference I give 2 pages. We can insert more pages like this. Here I have another column for videos. This is a link for YouTube. So when I click videos, so okay, here I have given a link for YouTube. So I will the student can copy this and they can Google this. By this they can see my YouTube channel, Dash Learning videos. So this is a source for YouTube. In this Plasmo I can't insert some videos, so I give this links. For each subject we can give this. Now we can go to see the code. Before that I have quiz also here. First chapter I give start practice test. Here is a button, so I give press this. After that, here is some quiz. For quiz there are totally 2 quiz. At the end of test you will get a badge. So in at last we can get the badge. So start test. I am state. Here what is the fifth state? I think plasma, so I click this. So it is showing green color. So next I will press this next button. Green color means it is a correct one. What is the boiling point of the water? So here I am giving a wrong answer, so 60. The correct answer is 100. If I press this will show the green color, but I am pressing this 60. Now it will show the red color, so this is a wrong answer, so we can give the end button. Now it is giving a chemistry like a award. It is like a badge, and then we can go to the home page like this. Here I have a back button, so I press this. Here we have a quiz also. In physics also I have a quiz. Like this we can test our knowledge also. Here I am pressing start test. Like that, it is also having a 2 MCQ. I give this for a reference only. We can develop this app by the buttons itself. If the displacement of the object is proportional to the square of time, then the object moves with clicking uniform velocity. Now it is showing green color, and here it is giving a thumbs up symbol. So next it is moving automatically. In that case we are pressing next button, but here I developed this in later version, so here it is going automatically to the next page. Here when a car drive travels at the speed of 10 meter per second, applies brake, and here I am giving plus 0.5 meters square. Sorry, this is also a correct one. I will show the if it we press this is giving a badge. If I press the wrong thing, it will give the thumbs down symbol. After that we can press this home button. So here we can go to the next subject. Like this we can give each practice test for each chapters. In max also I have like this. In each subject I have a different like pages. Here I am pressing start test now. Here symbol natural number, it is n, so I am pressing n. So it is giving green color. After this there is no click to move second page. Here it is having automatically moving. What is the symbol of whole number? It is I am clicking m, it is showing red color. These are the first thing I done, so it is giving a badge for me in maths. Like this the students will like this app because they are getting badges. At last we can see how much badges we have got. Like this biology also I am having a test sequence. So we can next go to the code area. Here I am having a code. These are the code I have done, so it is too big. I am closing the view area, so now it is visible. So this app is full and full presented by buttons. So this is a simple app application. Here weather button. Here if this button is clicked, go to this area. Like this the coding is full of this background color. In the quiz there is changing of background color, so that also I give a if else statement. If this button is clicked, show the red color. Like that I present this. For time also I given here in the down. Like this each and everything is presented by buttons. So this app application making thing make me more innovating mind, and I like this Plasmo app because it increase my concentration level. So thanks for Atal Innovation Mission for giving this opportunity. Thank you.